Hey everyone, welcome back to the Uteach channel. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you. We've heard your requests and we know many of you want to create quizzes without the need for registration. This workaround is for courses that have paid content with free episodes. So if that's you, let's dive right in. To access the feature, sign into your dashboard. You need to create a quiz before the course. For that, head to Teaching Materials tab, then Quizzes. You can create a new quiz or edit an existing one. I have already created my quiz and I can go back to Courses tab. If you're creating or editing your course, please make sure you activate no registration required toggle. Then navigate to the Courses tab. Make sure your course is paid one, edit, or you can create a new course if you want. Go to the second step. Then create new episode, choose text episode, add your title here, then add your description. Then you can customize your text. After customizing your text, you need to have a button here to make all this happen. For that, click on your logo or website name on the top, open it in a new tab. From here, you need to take the button style. Click on the button, right click and then inspect. Here you will see button element. Then click on these three dots. Then add it as HTML. Copy this part. Then go back to your text episode. Click three dots. Show more items. Click then source. Here you can paste this one. Then click again three dots, source. And here you can see that I have added the button here. You need to link this button. Click on the button, click edit link icon and bring here your quizzes link. For that again you can go to teaching materials in a new tab, then quizzes. Choose your quiz that you want to insert, then copy URL from here, go back to your course, click again to the button, then edit link, paste the link here, click and activate open in a new tab option, then save. And you will see the button already appeared here. Again, the most important thing is here to activate make this free episode toggle. Then go save. So let's see how student will see your course. You can open the course in incognito tab to check whether the episodes that you wanted to appear free are working fine. So right click on your course, then open link in incognito window, then you can see an episode that is free. Click on it. And here is the text episode that I have added. Click on it. Here you can see the text episode. It will look like this. The button takes the style of your homepage. When users will click on the button, it will redirect them to the quiz page. And in the quiz you can add anything that you want. You can collect their data, names, surnames, email addresses, and etc. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this workaround helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out our support team. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Uteach tutorials and updates. Until next time, happy learning!